Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K. I'm going to be doing another hair tutorial. So this unit was sent to me from Beauty Forever Hair. So thank you them for sending me out another wig to review. So in your box you do get goodies. You do get wig caps. They actually give you 2 wig caps. You get the bag, the duster bag, just to keep your wig in if you want to keep your box, and then of course they give you the bag with the goodies. It has the silk scarf in it, some clips, and the eyelashes. I love the eyelashes. I wear the eyelashes in a lot of my videos, but I did not in this one. So the unit is going to be a V part unit. So as you can see, it has a total of 5 combs on top, 2 combs on the crown, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it is going to be a V part unit. So with the V part units, you can leave out no hair, or you can leave out a little bit of hair. I'm just showing you right now what it looks like if I was not to leave out any hair at all. And I do have my hair in 2 pigtails. That's how I always have my hair if I'm doing a install. So I'm just showing you. This is not gonna be like how can you say, like, pretty. It's not gonna be pretty. It's just to show you a demonstration. So basically and then also I would just want to show what the wig looks like on before I get to doing anything to it. So the fit on this cap is actually a nice fit. I like the fit of this cap. So it is going to be big head friendly. It is going to be an average cap size. So if you have a big head, this will fit you. If you have an average head size, this will fit you as well. I like the cap size on this unit. So that's what it basically looks like if you just put it on without leaving any hair out. To get like the look that you want to go for, you would kind of tease the roots, and you would kind of pull the hair up. So basically you'll pull the hair up over the track part. And like I said, it's just a demonstration to show you. I do have a video on my channel on where I actually did this and I did not have any hair out. So that video is yeah, I did do that video. But that's basically how it looks if you were to tease it. Like I said, it's not like good, but it's a demonstration. So now I'm actually going to unbraid my hair so that I can go ahead and leave some hair out. So with this unit, it does say that it is 22 inches and it is going to be the FB30 in the color. I love the color on this unit. It looks so pretty and natural, and with it being FB30 in my hair, I think my hair is like a number 2, if I want to say. I don't think it's too much of 1B, but I think it's close to like a number 2. And my hair does blend in with this unit. So if you have a 1B or a number 2, then your hair will perfectly blend in with this unit. And I feel like the top, how the color goes and everything, is not gonna look like a patch of black on top of blind, if you know what I'm saying. It's like perfectly blended, so it will blend in with your hair. And I was looking, y'all see how when you do the V part, the part lays so freaking flat, I couldn't even really see it. I was like, dang, it look good. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle, and then I'm gonna be applying some water just to get my curls to kind of come through. I do have naturally curly hair, so applying some water, it just curls right up. And then after that, I am gonna go in with my gel. I do like to use the olive oil gel, and I'm going to put that on my hair as well. And you see what I mean? Like, it doesn't look like you just got black on top of it. It actually blends in, so I like that. For my baby hairs, I'm not really doing too much. I'm just kind of putting some there, just basically just putting them any kind of way. I just want it to look a little bit natural, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm just going to be applying some water and not edge control, but olive oil on this unit. And that's basically it. Like, that's how easy a V-part unit is. I feel like this unit is so pretty and natural. It looks so freaking good, and the color just looks so freaking bomb as well. This unit is only $162.35. Like, is like a deal. I freaking love it. And I also have a coupon code, so make sure to check out the link, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.